Hi guys, so a few days ago I ordered from a website called tanbeauty.co.uk. I ordered the new concealer. It's called Conceal and Define. I really wanted to try it out, especially as my Shape Tape is running out and I don't want to pay for another one. Plus custom charge. Plus Tarte is having a bit of a rough time at the moment and I don't know if I want to give them my money at the moment. I don't know. So I got two shades. The first one is the lightest one you could buy, which is C1, and I got C13 because I thought it would be good as cream contour and bronzer sort of dealio. You've got to commend them. The shade range is really amazing. I also got two other things. I got the Luxury Baking Powder in the colour Lace. I also got a lipstick in the colour Chauffeur. It's called Matte Chauffeur because I've never tried their lipsticks before. What I'm going to do is just slather on the concealer and hopefully it'll be a good base for my eyeshadows. The applicator is like the Shape Tape one. It's not exactly the same though. This is the Makeup Revolution, this is the Shape Tape. The Shape Tape is slightly darker than the Makeup Revolution one. They're both their lightest shades. But as you can see, the doe foot on the Shape Tape is slightly bigger than the Makeup Revolution one. But yeah, let's just get into it. This doesn't look too light actually. I'm just going to tap that in. Oh, how fast did that blend in? Okay, as you can see, there is quite a dramatic difference between the concealed side and the not concealed side. My veins are very prominent, so it covered them up pretty well. I'll try out the powder to set this. But do I need to pop those? What do I do? I never know what to do with this. I'm using my teeth, don't mind me. Oh no. I took it off but it's all come out. Oh, it's everywhere. Oh no. Sponge into it and just set that concealer. Does that look good? Oh yeah. It's good to have a nice even base before you start putting your eyeshadow on. Perfect. It doesn't look too dark. It's got a tiny pink tinge to it, but I'm not mad at it. I'm not mad at it. I'm going to speed you up as I do my eye makeup because you don't need to see that. Let's go. I've washed my sponge and I'm going to apply some foundation and then we'll try out the concealers. This foundation is the Ordinary Coverage Foundation. I love this foundation so much. I have it in the colour 1.1 Neutral. It is a tiny bit yellow for me, but I don't mind. That's my foundation on. Let's test out the concealer. So again, I've got the lightest shade, which is C1. Oh, don't smell it. It was very plasticky. I don't know how to think about that. Worried that it would be too light, but it actually looks like the perfect colour for me. See how it blends in. Okay, I've noticed it dries down really fast, so there's not much playtime with it. But it's pretty amazing. It's basically done what my Shape Tape normally does, which is completely conceal my bags and not look completely cakey. So like it looks pretty flawless. Is that just me? But it doesn't have much playtime, so if you're putting it on like in different places, I would blend out the first place before you put it on anywhere else because it was kind of hard to blend. It's really nice. I really like it. Let's try this dark shade now. This is in C13. I don't know if this might be a bit too warm toned. Might have just like a nice bronzy effect on my face, I don't know. I'm just going to put a little bit Okay, let's blend this out then. I have to say, that blended out really nicely. It did set quite quickly though, so you've got to be careful, but that's such a nice, like, subtle warmth to my face that is given. Amazing. I'm also going to say, this concealer under my eyes has not creased, and I've left it for what? I don't know. Like, it is set dry. I feel like I don't even have to set it with powder. I'm going to anyway, just in case though. So I'm going to use this lace powder. I'm just going to dip my sponge in there. It's going to be a bit of annoying, like, getting the powder out. I'm going to have to maybe put it in a different container. Even though it feels like I don't even have to set this concealer. Just going to wipe that away. I'm going to bronze my face, highlight, mascara, eyeliner, and then I'll be back. So, I kind of completely forgot that I bought a lipstick as well, so I don't know if this lipstick's going to go with my eye makeup, but we're going to try it anyway. I'm not sure what range this is in, but this is called Matte Chauffeur. Never tried their lipsticks before. Yeah, this might go. Let's see what this properly looks like. My lips are a bit dry, so hopefully the matteness is forgiving. This is actually a really nice lipstick. It's quite a forgiving matte. It's like a comfortable matte. I don't think I have a shade this colour. It's like such a nice nude for like my skin tone. I'm really happy with that, and it was easy to put on without lip liner, which is good. Ooh, this might be my new favourite lipstick. And it was like £3. Crazy. So my conclusion is that concealer is really good. It's £4. You can get it from your local Superdrug. It's easily accessible. They have an amazing colour range. What's happened with Tarte, I think that's pretty commendable and like should be celebrated that Makeup Revolution can come out with that many colours. I'm really looking forward to the foundation that's coming out in February. It's a stick foundation. I'm definitely going to get my hands on that because if it's as good as this concealer, it's probably going to be a favourite. I'm going to keep using this concealer, plus the dark one was really nice, made a really nice like bronzed effect on my face. Very happy. And the powder was really nice. I really liked that. It didn't show up too pink on me, it sort of just blended in with my skin, which is really good. I know that they have darker shades, so if you have a darker skin tone then you can definitely buy one of their powders, which I know for high street like makeup is quite difficult to find, so that's really good. Yeah, I'm really happy. The lipstick's really comfortable and really pretty colour. I definitely want to buy some more of their lipsticks. This video has been very successful. Well done, Makeup Revolution. You have replaced my Shape Tape. Don't need to buy that anymore. It does the job just as good. Plus, it doesn't crease, which is the one thing I didn't like about my Shape Tape, so that's that. I guess that's the end of my video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see this face, then hit the subscribe button. And follow me on Instagram and Twitter. My handle is AliceRoseGL. I'll see you next time. Bye.